As spring is in the air and the nesting season starts for many bird species, we are much more likely to encounter territorial behaviors at the feeders. Northern mockingbirds are known to be fierce in territorial defensiveness. However, between April and July, which is their nesting season, they are even more fierce. We love our northern mockingbirds, and we want them to stay with us year-round. Therefore, here are 3 suggestions that you could use to keep their fierce territorial behaviors from keeping other birds away from your feeders. Give mockingbirds their own feeder. This was the one we used. We set up stations away from each other that were far enough that they could not guard 2 stations at once. Distance is the key. If the feeders are too close together, they will probably try to claim them. Only offer seeds in other feeders. Mockingbirds are omnivores and only interested in insects, such as beetles, moths, bees, ants, and grasshoppers. In the fall and winter, they switch to berries. Typically, seeds and nuts won't attract them. Try putting up an owl or hawk decoy statue. To be honest, these don't work as well. Once the birds realize that the decoy or statues don't move, they won't be afraid anymore. However, this may scare away all bird species.